All right, boys and girls, we are underway of doing the wrap. At this point, I took my upper doors off, which are here. Just one little thumb screw, those pop right off, no big deal. I took my front XP flares off. I know I won't have to on the bed because this is one piece. I'm not positive on this. When I get to that part, I may take this piece of flare off because I'm thinking that the wrap may tuck underneath, and then when I slide it back, it'll be a whole lot easier and cleaner to do. Obviously, cleanliness is a good thing. So what I did is I washed the whole thing down, let it thoroughly dry, and then per the instructions from Murray Power Sports, I did, it says 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol. Found it at Walmart, 91%. It's only like $2 or $3 for a 16-ounce bottle, so not terribly expensive. Wipe the whole thing down, make sure there's no residue. Like I said, I got the front flares off. May have to take that back piece off, I'm not sure. I'm going to start on the tailgate just to get an idea of how it's going to lay down, since it doesn't have to really connect to anything. The graphic is going to cover everything, so I just want to make sure of how it's going to lay down before I start. And then per their instructions, it says kind of start on the fender. If you have custom door graphics, so you make sure everything kind of lines up. I'm thinking that probably start on the hood, get the hood done, and then lay the fender graphics, and then the door graphics, and the box should be simple. So, wish me luck. I've put stickers on before, but nothing of this magnitude or expense. I'm super excited to see it all done, but I wanted to do kind of like a mini series on, you know, can you do your own wrap? So I guess other people have done it before. I'm, again, no expert, but I think we can make this happen. So here we go. We're going to start by putting the tailgate pieces on, and I'll show you how that goes and anything you learn along the way. All right, guys. So this is a time-consuming process, to say the least. So what we did is we cut out all the stickers with just a small border, so that when we got it started, it was a little bit easier to lay down. Murray Power Sports has it set up really nice where everything's color-coded with a colored dot and instructions to where it goes. Obviously, most of them are pretty self-explanatory, you know, where they're gonna go, because everything lines up. But I just wanted to show you this far. Cleaned all the panels, started putting them on, started at the very top or a straight edge. Use their little felt covered squeegee and just kind of start working it down until you get all the bubbles out and everything's flat, and then you can kind of work it by hand just to get it cleaned up, get any bubbles taken out of it. These things stick like crazy. Like if you stick it down to about here, you're just about ripping this panel off, taking it back up to get it straight. So I have zero doubt that these things are going to stay stuck on there. It's starting to come along, so we will do a few more pieces and show you what we got. All right, guys and girls, here's the finished product. After lots of hours and some pretty sore fingertips from pushing this stuff around, it is done. A waving, weathered, black and gray American flag with some General Star on the front. My JH Motorsports Jeremy Hamill YouTube logo. And a little kicker on the back. Don't tread on me. I also had Murray Power Sports make me some stickers like that, so I can start a website and have some of that stuff to sell and give away. Along with, I'm gonna make t-shirts and hoodies, sweatshirts, hats, all the normal stuff. But I think it looks pretty cool. And I went with the gloss pattern, just because this was matte before, just to kind of set it off. Colors are a little more vibrant that way. I think it looks pretty neat. It's got the pistons and the rods. And it's kind of got that fighter jet rivets and lines, along with the old red, white, and blue theme that I've been going with since I started this whole situation. Even without it, it's kind of what I do. Pretty happy with how it turned out. She looks pretty cool.